Would you like a bit of bubbly?
No.
Hey,
I got my alert.
Yeah, scare the crap out of you.
it's only 118.
Oh, mine's going off.
Not mine.
Okay, enough. Oh my God, stop.
North America.
I took second.
Oh, there's mine. There's mine.
How do I stop it, Chris?
I just shut
annoying.
my phone off.
Chris, is this annoying?
I got mine. I got mine. I got my alert. I got my alert.
Joe won. Joe won the race.
I
Joe
won.
won.
I got the first alert.
I was the first loser.
What are you, William Cannon?
I was the second loser.
Well, that was fun.
I knew it would be.
I knew it would be. It's early, though. Maybe we really are being attacked or something.
Wait a minute.
I got the first alert.
How did you? Were you recording that?
Yeah. I thought it was going to go on longer. I meant William Conrad, didn't I? He did the first alert ads, right?
Do you guys have any government or student loan questions at all?
No.
Well, you can find out more information at this website.
You can sign up for the SAVE plan at studentaid.gov/save. studentaid.gov/save.
It's a long
Oh,
website.
never
And
mind.
remember,
You got to play that.
Student
I was trying to find a story that I could have snuck that in with Johnny's news, but he didn't really.
I'm going to ask you when we come.